Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin Pumasigari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natutugyan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Gemini. So, Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading, isa general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pag-support sa akin channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. So, ay pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik tiglig nag-uumapaw ang manambalik sa inyong biyaya. So, umpisahan na natin ang laban for the sign of Gemini. Angel Spirit messages for the sign of Gemini. Ano ang pasabog-bulabog na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay? God. Tingnan natin na magiging bulabog, ha? And because there is a Queen of Swords, a bigger picture. Okay. Para sinasabi dito, there's a mental clarity. Kumbaga, nakikita mo na kagad yung mga mangyayaring, kumbaga, yung mga possibilities or something, a bigger picture of yourself. At the same time, there's a King of Cups, there's a devoted and supportive person, na may taong sumusuport at taong gumagabay sa it's either your father, your siblings or other your lola, ganun, grandpa, or something of a masculine energy. So let's see what is additional messages. And because there is a 10 of cups, no? There's a happiness. So happiness by the 5 of coin, na sinasabi na makaka-recover ka na about sa finances. And of course, guys, there's a 8 of wands. There's a fast communication and fast movement. And of course, there is a 6 of coin, kumbaga magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. Kumbaga itong 8 of wands, kumbaga is a fast communication, fast movement. And of course, kumbaga there's an email or messages ka matatanggap na baka magdala sa ito. It's either ang business mo is online business or kumbaga tumatanggap ka ng email or something messages, ganon. Kumbaga ang buhay mo is a messenger or something. So let's see what is the Queen of Swords. So, there's a 7 of Swords. There's a information na, kumbaga nakikilala mo na kagad yung tao magsisinungaling behind your back. There's a 7 of Swords na there's a cheating lying on you or there's a sneakiness, no? Kumbaga, kilala mo na kagad yung tao nga, kumbaga, malakas ang kaba o malakas ang instinct mo or yung vibration mo pagdating sa isang tao na alam mong nagsisinungaling, no? Because there's a 10 of coin, there's a devoted and supportive person na pangmatagalan, no? There's a long-term success and long-term investment. So, ibig sabihin dito, makakamtan mo tong solid foundation or solid investment. So, let's see what is the 10 of cups. 10 of cups represent the 3 of swords. Or some of you marami naiinggit behind your back. No, it's either family related or something na siblings or something na kumbaga related sa'yo or your friends, ganon. Marami daw naiinggit sa'yo. So, what is the 5 of coin? So, there's a 9 of wands. So, ibig sabihin is slow and steady, no? Makaka-recover ka na. Hindi man agad-agad, pero unti-unti, no? But dapat marunong ka mag-appreciate ng mga bagay na maliliit at mga bagay na alam mong binibigay sa'yo. Opportunities yan para maranasan mo yung mga bagay-bagay about sa finances. So, let's see what is the 8 of wands. So, there's an Ace of Cups. There's a new offer, a love life, or new romance, a new beginning pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, buhay pakilig at buhay pagmamahal. So, sinasabi dito may matatanggap kang message or some of you guys, there's a trouble, no? Baka may trouble dito na mukhang magtatagpo kayo, magkikita kayo ng iyong persons, no? So, what is the 6 of coin? 6 of coin represent the Page of Sword. There's an information, no? Kumbaga, excuse me, guys. Okay, nakakakuha ka na rin ng information, no? Rather, pagdating sa finances. Inom lang ako ng water, guys. Okay, thank you. So, let's proceed. That's the Queen of Swords and the 7 of Swords. What is the King of Swords in the 7 of Swords? there's a Knight of Coins. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a practicality. So, pagdating sa finances, no, kailangan maging practical. Kasi there's a person na there's a lying, cheating on you, or baka some of you baka mas-scam ka, or some of you baka pautangin mo to, lokohin ka, 'di ba? Maging matalino pagdating sa finances sa panahon ngayon, ha. So, what is the King of Cups and the Ten of Coins? So there's a full card. So there's a leap of faith or something, a process and progress. Or there's a step by step. May mga bagay na, kumbaga, kailangan mo magtiwala sa mga pinagdadaanan mo, no? Natatawa nga ako sa mga nabasa ko na, may nabasa ko na na humihingi na, sabi niya, sabi ng isang kumare niya na tawag dito na, naniniwala ko Mars, no, na ibinigay sa iyo yung na yan. Kumbaga, hindi ko pwedeng tawag dito, tulungan ka kasi baka plano ni God yan para, 'di ba, maranasan mo yung ganyan. Parang inaano na tawag dito, baka makasira daw siya sa plano ni God, 'di ba? Ganun. Para sinasabi na ayaw tulungan, ganito ganyan, hindi sa ganun. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na magtiwala ka at magtiwala ka rin kung sino yung mga taong lalapit sa'yo, no? Sino yung mga taong tutulungan ka at tutulungan mo. Parang ganun, no? So, let's see what is the Ten of Cups and the Three of Swords. And of course, there's a there's a Ten of Wands. So, there's a burden. So, ibig sabihin talagang malakas ang nito, malakas ang negative energy na dala nitong tao na to, no? Kumbaga, laki ng inggit sa'yo nito at some of you, baka there's an evil eye contract, parang ganon. Kumbaga, nagbibigay sa'yo ng, kumbaga, pabigat, ganon. Kasi there's an information, there's a curse, no? Kumbaga, may curse talaga siya. Kumbaga, tinitignan kanya or something na pinagdadasal niya na sana mangyari din sa'yo yung mga nangyari sa kanya. Parang ganon, may ganon tao eh. So, there's an information na kumbaga may naiinggit dito, no? At nagbibigay ng kumbaga negativity. So kailangan mo talaga ng kumbaga mag-cleansing ka din, ha, some of you. So what is the Five of Coins and of course the Knight of Wands? What is the Five of Coins and the Knight of Wands? There's a devil energy. So, ibig sabihin dito, pagdating sa finances, makaka-recover ka naman. Pero, ang sinasabi dito, there's a Knight of Wands na slow and steady, no? Maaaring mabagal, or nakakaramdam ka ng something delays, no? Or something exhausted. Maaaring may mga tao talaga sa paligid mo na, kumbaga, there's a devil energy talaga. There's a negativity dulot nito, no? Laking inggit sa'yo. And kasi sinasabi na 8 of Wands, and because the Ace of Cups, there's a justice. Don't you worry, no? Makukuha mo yung justice mo, and of course, what you deserve, no? Makukuha mo yan. Kasi may hustisya talaga dito na magdadala sa'yo ng balance. And because there's a Nine of Cups, there's an offer. Kumbaga, kumbaga, nagkataon na gano'n mangyayari, no? Kumbaga, maniwala ka sa law of karma na, kumbaga, may mga tao talagang inggit talaga or may galit talaga na no? Kumbaga, nakakapagbitaw ng mga salita na alam nila, kakainin nila sa huli. Kasi there's a justice score, there's a law of karma for karma. Karma will serve. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a Nine of Cups, there's an offer. So, let's see what is the outcome. Outcome is the Ten of Swords. Mag-ingat ka, no? Maraming traitor talaga. Maraming binabackstab ka. Kahit itong taong pinagkakatiwala mo, binabackstab ka rin. And of course, there is an Empress card, a renewal, no? Kumbaga, baguhin mo, or magpanibago ka ng eksena. And of course, there is a King of Swords, being wise, no? Maging wise ka ngayon. And of course, there is a King of Wands, control, no? Kontrolin mo yung emotions mo. And kontrolin mo yung mga bagay na binibigyan mo informations, gano'n. Kasi, minsan ginagamit yan by, storyline, no? Parang, kwento-kwento, ganyan-ganyan. And of course, there is a Four of Wands, there's a celebration, and of course, there's a twin flame energy, no? Kumbaga, there's a wedding, and of course, there's, kumbaga, reunion, and of course, information na magdadala sa'yo ng celebration. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Love Oracle card, there's a photograph. Some of you there's a memories, and make new memories. Additional messages. And because there's a twin flame energy, no? There's a twin flame energy. There's a good energy na sinasabi dito, mukhang may kakaroon ka ng balance, no? And I guess there's a girl talk na pinag-uusapan ka behind your back. Let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? And of course, there's a presence. So, there's an abundance coming your way, no? Magkakaroon ka ng present moment at magkakaroon ka talaga ng abundance. Kasi kaligayahan, kasayahan, parang lahat ng aspeto pagdating sa abundance ay kasama talaga, no? Karangyaan, gano'n. And of course, there's a party. So, there's a third party involved, no? It's either for family related or something friend. Mag-ingat ka, no? May ahas. And of course, there's a confusion, no? Kumbaga, minsan illusion yan eh. Yung mga tao sa paligid mo, kala mo friend mo, no? Nag-i-illusion ka, ti. Kumbaga, nagugulo. O, sabi, some of you baka nanggugulo rin to sa'yo. So, let's see what is additional messages for messages of angels messages, spirit messages, ganun. There's an energy healing, so kailangan nyo raw ng energy healing. So, kailangan nyo ng magpagamot or something magpagaling, kung ano man uri ng karamdaman na naramdaman mo. Baka some of you meron kayong mga trangkas or some of you kumbaga, malakas ang energy kasi ngayon ng no? Kumakalat na trangkas. And of course, there's an energy healing. Kumbaga, kailangan nyo magpahinga. And of course, kailangan nyo mag-meditate. And of course, some of you baka there's a full of negativity. There's a body work, no? Sinasabi dito, there's some exercise. And of course, there's a massage na kailangan nyo. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. What is Archangel Michael messages for you? And of course, there's a take your time to making decision, no? Kailangan mo ng oras at panahon para makapag-desisyon. At the same time, there's a person that you're asking is about trustworthy. Yung mga taong kinakausap mo, yung iba dyan sa mapagkakatiwalaan mo naman, no? Kaya piliin mo yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages for you. There's a judgment, no? Kumbaga may mga kanya-kanya tayong pagdadaanan sa buhay, no? Kumbaga baka yan yung binigay ni God na kumbaga pagsubok mo, no? Para masolusyonan mo yung mga or para pagdaanan mo yung mga bagay-bagay kasi there's a lesson na makukuha ka diyan. And because there's a courage. Sinasabi dito na kung maging malakas at maging matapang ka, no? Humarap sa mga takot at pangamba mo. Alisin mo yung takot mo. And of course, sinasabi dito, what is additional messages for you? For Archangel Raphael. For Archangel Raphael messages, give me information. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a call upon Archangel Raphael for help. So, kailangan mo talaga ng tulong ni Archangel at humingi ka daw ng tulong sa kanya, no? Pagalingin anumang uri ng sugat, or anumang uri ng sakit, diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. My God, additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a change, no? May mga pagbabago magaganap. And of course, there's, okay, Dolphin, enjoy your life from the fullest. No? Enjoyin mo lang daw kung ano mga nangyayari sa paligid mo, sa buhay mo. No? Let's see what is the chakra messages for you. Let's see what is the chakra messages for you. There's a discoveries. Marami kang madi-discover, no? Marami kang malalaman. Marami kang matutuklasan. Ganon. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an expansion. Palalawakin ang kaalaman mo. Palalawakin ang kaisipan mo sa lahat ng bagay, no? And because there's a faith, I told you so, no? Sinusubukan ng pananampalataya at sinusubukan ng paniniwala mo dito. No? Sinusubukan ka talaga. At marami ka dapat matuklasan at dapat marami kang malaman at isa lang alang, no? Additional energy. There is a door, angel of love. Oh my God, there's a love. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a healer of the ages. So, ibig sabihin, paggagalingin ka sa lahat ng aspeto, sa lahat ng factor, no? And of course, there's an action. So, kailangan mo mag-take ng action. Kung gusto mong gumaling at kung gusto mo talagang makaalis sa situation mo, kailangan mo mag-take ng action. Kung hindi ka mag-take ng action or hindi ka mag-take ng risk, walang magbabago. Walang magaganap na pagbabago, no? Let's see what is this Montology. At sinasabi dito, hold your vision. Panghawakan mo yung hinala, panghawakan mo yung nakikita mo, panghawakan mo yung gut feeling mo, no? And of course, there's it's time to take action, no? Kailangan mo talagang kumilos. Para sinasabi dito na action, 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 no? Kailangan mong gumalaw, kailangan mong kumilos. Let's see what is additional messages for you. There's a star keeper. Stay underground, no? Panatiliin nakatapak sa lupa, no? Kahit na alam kumbaga magbago man ang ikot ng mundo, magbago man ang ikot ng kapalaran sa iyo, panatiliin mo bababa ang loob mo. And because there's a cosmic heart. Kumbaga make your life a moving prayer, devotions, no? Kumbaga magkaroon ka ng devotion or something, prayer, magdasal ka. Ipagpatawad mo at ipagdasal mo lahat ng mga bagay o bigat na nararamdaman mo. I-surrender mo kay God yan at hilingin mo na makabangon at makaahon ka mula sa pagkabigo at pagkalug mo. No? Yun lang, hindi mo kailangan gumante, hindi mo kailangan gumawa ng isang bagay na alam mong kakainin mo lang sa huli. And because there's an 18, I am a hard-hearted. You are both open-minded and open-hearted, and your ambition is to live this world better than you found it. Ensure that your goals are aligned with the collective needs and with the highest good of all. So, ibig sabihin dito, wala ka na pakialam kung ano mga eksena sa paligid mo, no? Kumbaga, alam mong makakabuti sa'yo at alam mong wala kang tinatapakan tao, no? Go for it. Ilaban mo yan. So, what is messages of life? Let's see what is the messages of life. So, sinasabi dito, there's a forgiveness. See? There's a forgiveness. Today, I bless each soul I perceive to have hurt me. I release them to their own greater good. I can now see that my past provides me with the lessons that help me live more fully in the present. I no longer struggles with what has been said and done. I am grateful for every experience that has brought me here. I feel myself with the love that is pure and free. So, ibig sabihin dito, parang pinapalaya mo ang sarili mo sa kabiguan, kumbaga, lahat ng sakit, lahat ng, kumbaga, nangyari sa'yo, kumbaga, lahat ng trumaydor sa'yo, no? Lahat ng gumawa sa'yo ng kamalian. So, sinasabi dito, sinusurrender mo sa kanya. At binibigyan mo siya ng, kumbaga, kalayaan, no? Kumbaga, alam mo sa sarili mo na, kumbaga, yan ang nagbibigay ng negativity, so, palayain mo ang sarili mo. No? And of course, this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Gemini. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. No? Maraming salamat po. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel. No? Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!